Hi viewers, welcome to AKN Sprint Education, and today let us study the important theorem that is called image theorem. So which is an important 7-mark question, paper 1B. So they will ask the question like this: if Q of H comma K is the image of the point P of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is our straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Q of h comma k, Q of h comma k is the image of P of x1 comma y1. Students, see here, Q of h comma k is the image of the point P of x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then prove that h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay children, so let us join P and Q. So what is the midpoint of P and Q? The midpoint of P and Q let us consider as point R. So how to find the midpoint of two points? As we know that we have midpoint formula, that is R is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So we have to find midpoint of P and Q. So let us find midpoint of PQ. We call it as R of xy is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 in the sense this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 in the sense x1 only, x2 in the sense h children. So I mean x1 plus h by 2. Is it clear? x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. I mean y1 plus k by 2. This is our point R. This is what? x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k by 2. So that's what we have write. We need to write here y1 plus k by 2. This is our midpoint of PQ, that is called R. Got it? As we know that this point R which lies on straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? Right. Point R lies on ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? I mean a into, in place of x you substitute x coordinate, that is x1 plus h by 2 plus b into, as y coordinate is y1 plus k by 2 plus c equal to 0. So children, here nothing in the sense 1, right? What is the LCM of 2? 2 and 1, that is 2. So a into x1, ax1 plus a into h, kh plus b into y1, by1 plus b into k, bk plus, as 1 2 are 2 into 2, so 2 into c, 2c is equal to 0. So 2 into 0, that is 0. I mean ax1 plus ah plus by1 plus bk plus 2c equal to 0, right? So let me write ah and bk, let it be ah plus bk. So this ax1 you transpose children, minus ax1. This by1 you transpose, minus by1. This plus 2c you transpose, which is equal to minus 2c. So we got AH plus BK equal to minus AX1 minus BY1 minus 2C. Yes. Now, as we know that, what is the slope of the line? AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. I mean slope of the line. Slope of the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. That is called as M1. M1 equal to minus A by B. And also we need to find slope of the PQ. Slope of PQ. Right? Slope of PQ. What is the point here? Here point is x1 comma y1. Point Q is h comma k. What is the slope formula? As we know that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we call it as m2. y2 minus y1. I mean k minus y1 by x2 minus x1. h minus x1. Got it, children? We have the slope formula. What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Yes, as these two are perpendicular to each other. Line and this both are perpendicular to each other. I mean whose product is minus 1. I mean slope m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. As m1 is minus a by b into m2 is k minus y1 by h minus x1 equal to minus 1, children. Right? Now, as minus gets cancelled, so let us multiply a into k minus y1 by b into h minus x1 is equal to 1, children. So cross multiplication, a into k minus y1 is equal to b into h minus x1. Right? What to do, children? As b is multiplying here, transpose, it will become k minus y1 by b. As a is multiplying, you transpose, it will become h minus x1 by a. Let it be considered as t, children, which is equal to t. I mean, let us equate k minus y1 by b is equal to t, as well as h minus x1 by a is equal to t. So cross multiplication, k minus y1 is equal to b into t, bt. As if you transpose minus y1, you will get k equal to y1 plus bt. Similarly, cross multiplication, h minus x1 is equal to a into t, at. If you transpose minus x1, it will become h is equal to x1 plus at. So what is h value? H value is x1 plus at. And what is the value of k? That is y1 plus pt. As we know that q of h comma k also should satisfy the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I mean q of h comma k, this h comma k is also lies on ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? So see, children, here a into, we got h value what? H value is x1 plus at plus b into, what is the value of k? K value is y1 plus bt is equal to minus ax1 minus by1 minus 2, children, minus 2c. Got it? What I did, in place of h, I substituted x1 plus at. In place of k, I substituted y1 plus bt. Right? Now, a into x1, ax1 plus a into at, a square t, plus b into y1, by1 plus b into b square t equal to minus ax1 minus by1 minus 2c. Right? Now, from these two terms, you take t as common. Once if you take t as common, you will get a square plus b square. This minus ax1 if you transpose, which will be minus ax1 minus ax1, already we have minus ax1. Minus ax1, minus ax1, minus 2ax1. Minus, children, as we have already here b by 1, if we transpose this plus b by 1, again it will become minus b by 1. Minus b by 1, minus b by 1, minus 2b by 1, minus 2c. Here, as a square plus b square is multiplying, if you transpose, it will become, if you take minus 2 as common, ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. Right? Here a square plus b square is multiplying. If you transpose, it will become division. Right? A square plus b square. Children, what do you mean by t, children? We consider as h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b. We consider as what? T, right? So in place of t, I can write as h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. Got it, children? So this is called as image theorem. Right? Here the thing is, we have to find the midpoint r that lies on ax plus by plus c. Then we have to find slope of line. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Also we need to find slope of line PQ, whose product is equal to minus 1. From that we will get this equation. K minus y1 by b equal to h minus x1 by a equal to t. And then we will substitute in this equation ah plus bk equal to minus ax1 minus b by 1 minus 2c. You will get the h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus b by 1 plus c by a square plus b square. Students, until and unless if you practice this theorem, you can't do it. So practice it so that you will get easily 7 marks. Thank you, children.